Greetings to everyone. So in this video I'll be talking about further steps I have already talked about in my last video from steps 1 to 9, and today I'll be discussing the further steps. So last year I told you about that you have to upload your residence permit, that is you have to upload your passport and you have to upload your DOV. For those students who don't have their DOV, it is advised that they apply for DOV as soon as possible, and if by the time 28th of July, that is the deadline, if you don't get your DOV, just upload the slip you have, and that is my conviction, that is my personal conviction, and I'm telling you how to generate the ticket. If you have any query, you can generate the ticket to them and they'll respond you as soon as possible. Okay, so let us log in and do the further steps. I hope all your documents are prepared. So let me tell you once again that you have to prepare your documents as of 31st December 2019, because many students are confused between 2019 and 2020. You have to produce all the documents as dated 31st of December 2019. So you have to produce your bank balance of your father's account on the very date 31st December 2019. It has to be your father's and not yours. Okay, you have to show your continuous income of your father, of your brother, of your sister, anyone who will be sponsoring you. The income should be continuous in nature. I have already told you many times. Okay, so remember that you have the continuous income, and you also, for Indian students, I'm telling you that you should have filed ITR. Even if you don't pay ITR, then also try to file that, and even with zero amount, get that document with yourself. Okay, this the ITR thing is for the visa process, because it happens very swiftly. So I'm telling you about to just do that. Okay, so let us log in. So we'll be logging in. I hope you're familiar with this page. If you want to open a ticket, what you can do, you can click here, open ticket, and then you can generate your query. Okay, you have to follow the instructions. Open ticket. Right now it is not accepting any tickets. Okay, so whenever it gets okay, you have to upload that. Now next is, our application is already in processing, so let us access the form. So where we are left at the attached documentation. So make sure that some students are finding difficulty in uploading this PDF format. So let me tell you that if you find any difficulty, just rename the document as doc.pdf or document.pdf. like this, rename that document if you are finding any difficulty regarding. Then, so let me tell you, after uploading, what you can do, you have to click here on this 3-line button. After clicking on this 3-line button, you have to click on PIN management. Okay, let me tell you one more thing, that terms of payment is here you have to upload your bank account, and since you don't have your bank account right now, so just leave it, and here your payment history would become the first installment which would due in December most probably, so it will come here only. So let us click on PIN management. So PIN management, this is your PIN. Here it is written, and it is set by the website itself. So if you want to change the PIN, you can also change the PIN, and if you don't want to change, then use this only. Okay, when you have to submit the final application form, you have to write this PIN, remember. So as you can see that I have uploaded my documents, which is less than 1 MB, and now I'm clicking on send files. So after that step, what step will come? You have to upload your income documents, and below that it would be written that you have to enter your PIN. You have to enter your PIN, and then transmission would be there. Transmission is sending your application. Okay, here it might have written that you haven't sent any application yet. It means that you haven't submitted the application for one time or for more. If you submit the application for once and then you find any difficulty, you can unlock the application. You can unlock the application by entering your PIN. There is an option after you submit the application. You can also unlock the application by entering your PIN, and then you have to again upload all the documents. For example, if you have uploaded some wrong documents or some documents which is not allowed, then what you can do, you can unlock your application and you can upload that. So need not to worry. You can do all these things before 28th of July. Okay, this is the deadline that you have to do that before 28th of July. You can unlock and lock the application. Done. So this was all about today's video, and the website is still having some glitches, so don't worry, just keep on trying and try to log in that time which you think that it would be giving you less traffic, because in the morning time, yes, there can be traffic, and also at the night time. So consider doing that after 12 or after 1 AM. Okay, so if it is happening at your time, then it is so good, and so far so good. And if you find any problem, then just considering changing the time or changing the laptop. Okay, so this was all about today's video. I hope I have sorted out some of your queries, and if you have any further query, you can drop it down in the comment section, and consider me giving the thumbs up. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. We all are here to help you. So if you have any difficulty, just drop down or DM me on Insta. That would be more convenient. Yes, so you can DM me on Insta. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay blessed.